I terminated the instructing attorney on a different matter, and I instructed my new attorney to get hold of the counsel, but the counsel has not been able to get hold of it. We're not able to get hold of him. I also tried to get hold of him myself, and I realized that I would not have counsel, so I had to appoint another counsel to represent me to instruct. So I have not been able to consult directly with counsel. I was informed by the instructing attorney of counsel that if I withdraw her, she will automatically withdraw counsel. So that was the matter. I had no other communication directly with counsel, but we did want to continue with counsel, but under a different instructing attorney.
Good. So you want to engage the services of a different instructing attorney, but with the same counsel.
Yes, and I have added another counsel on.
And you added another counsel.
Yes.
But they are not here.
They are here.
Only one counsel is here. Who is the other counsel?
It's right there.
My lady, I'm the other counsel.
The other one.
Yes, I'm the other counsel. My names, or my initials rather, is BMWM Maila, standing for Benjamin Mo Africa wa Maila Maila.
Thank you.
As the court pleases.
So